there everyone, this is Devin the Demon, and I'm back with another video. Something pissed me the fuck off, so what the fuck? Apparently, Blowshakes defeated Bodell Funk, and Bodell Funk got beat the fuck up by Blowshakes. I don't know what else to say, but this pissed me the fuck off. I know it pissed you off as well. Blowshakes was Pexilva up here all along. Not only that, but if Bodell Funk got fucked up big time. Bodell Funk, I'm really sorry you lost that fight, but you'll get revenge on Blowshakes someday. Probably next year at the next Mania, WrestleMania. But anyways, Blowshakes, you are a disgrace to the YWC. We trusted you. You were supposed to be in the Attitude Era, but you betrayed us all. You wasn't even PG that much. You wasn't even PG. You're from the Attitude Era, but then you turn your back on Bodell Funk like that? Fuck you, Blowshakes. I can't take it anymore. You were Pexilva here all along. And I can't take this shit anymore. What you do is the biggest mistake in the YWC. Death Metal got through 6 is pissed off, Will Thrower #1 is pissed off, even my best friend on YouTube of the YWC, La Murte, is pissed off. He's pissed off because you betrayed us all. Fuck you, Blowshakes. Thanks to Green Cycle 17, he beat your fucking ass. He got his revenge. So yeah, Green Cycle 17, thanks for beating the fuck out of Pexilva and Peter, who's Blowshakes all along. Anyways, Blowshakes, what you do is the biggest mistake. I hope Bodell Funk will get his revenge on you someday. Probably at the next year's WrestleMania. Maybe on April 5th or 6th or something like that. It wasn't in March. Anyways, I got nothing else to say about that, but Blowshakes, fuck you. And like I said, thank you Green Cycle 17 for beating the shit out of, Pexilva and Peter. Anyways, that's all I gotta say for now. So yeah, fuck you Blowshakes, fuck your PG garbage. Alright then, now then, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments, and subscribe. I'm Devin the Demon, and I'll see you all next time. Alright, goodbye for now.